Welcome back to PcomLap. We are diving into how to merge and create disk partitions on your PC. Whether you need to manage storage, install a new operating system, or organize your file better, we have got you covered. Stay tuned as we guide you step by step. Let's get started. Go to search bar and search about create and format hard disk partitions. Click on the first. Now maximize the screen. Here you can see there are two disk drive available. First is C drive and second D. If you want to merge any disk drive, you must have to format it. After formatting, you can use this disk drive to shrink volume or create partition. After formatting the drive, the unallocated drive we can use in creation of new drive. For creating new drive, click on new simple volume, next, and again next. Now you can see your disk drive is created. If we want to create another drive, we can shrink this volume. Right click on the drive, then click on shrink volume. Calculate the part that you want to shrink, or I can say create. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. If you want to create 100 GB, then 1024 multiplied by 100. 102400. Now this drive is unallocated. Make it new simple drive, or I can say make a new simple volume. If we want to merge these two drives, D drive and E drive, we are going to delete this volume and click on D drive and extend volume. Click on next, and finish. E and D drive is merged now. Let's check if we create a new drive, it is available to us or not. So we are going to create again from the existing drive. Shrink volume 102400. New simple volume, next, and next. Now you can see there are two drives available, D drive and E drive. Now again we are going to merge these two drives. Delete volume, click on yes, click on D drive and extend volume. Next, and finish. Tech beyond expectations. Thanks for watching.